class 4 students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to our EVS class. As you all know, our 13th chapter is going on, that is World of Flowers. We are studying in this chapter about flowers only, right? So, as you all know, in the previous session, I told you about the parts of a flower, and I also told you about the function of a flower. So, firstly, I will give recap of that. Then we will continue this chapter. Okay. So, what parts of flower? I told you 4 parts of flower. In detail, you will study in the next class. So, in this class, you have to do only 4 parts of plants. So, first was sepal. Sepal is a part of plant which protects the flower when it is a bud. फ्लावर को प्रोटेक्ट करता है जब वो बड होता है. ओके. देन सेकंड आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द पेटल्स. Petals are the very beautiful part of plant and also it is a very attractive part of plant. Okay, petals are of different colors, different sizes and different shapes. Every plant is having different types of flowers and different types of flowers are having different types of petals, and their color is also different, their size is also different, and their fragrance is also different. Okay, then after this I told you about stamen. Stamens are the just inside the petals. There are some stamens. Means there are stalks and their swollen top. Okay, इनका जो top है वो swollen है, and that swollen top there is some yellow powdery form, and that powdery form substance is known as pollen grains. Okay, and this stamens, what are stamens? That stalks and swollen top are known as the stamens. So these are the stamens, and it is a male part of a flower. It is a male part of a flower. After that stamen, there is carpel. Carpel, that is a shape of carpel, that is a flower shaped structure. That flowers जिस तरह से होता है उस shape में है, that structure is known as carpel, and it is a female part of flower. That is a female part of a flower. Okay, so sepal, petals, stamens and carpel. These are the 4 parts of a flower. After that, I told you about the function of a flower. When flower dries up, it changes into the fruit. Then from fruit, in fruit there are some seeds. When the conditions are favorable, then seeds will sown and new plant will grow. So this is the function of a flower. After that, so what we are going to learn in this session, this was only a recap of the previous session. Now what we are going to learn in this session, I will be telling you about the uses of flower. कि कहाँ पर flowers का use होता है. See, flowers we are using it many places. We use flowers in a number of ways. बहुत तरीकों से use कर सकते हैं, and it brings colors and freshness in our life. You know, jasmine flower. Jasmine flower is used as mostly deodorants, some perfumes, or some mist. So we are using the flowers in different ways. Like firstly, I am going to tell you about the first way, that is as food. Yes, we are eating some flowers also, like cauliflower, broccoli. So these are the some flowers of a plant जो हम खा रहे हैं as a food. Okay, so certain flowers when cooked as vegetables, जिसको हम vegetables की तरह खा रहे हैं, those are some flowers, cauliflower and broccoli. Then next I am talking about as the spices. Spices में भी हम use कर रहे हैं flowers का, like saffron. Saffron क्या होता है? केसर. Kesar we are using in spices also, right? It is made by drawing parts of crocus flowers. Crocus flowers जब सूख जाते हैं, उसका जो सूखा हुआ पार्ट होता है उससे क्या बन जाता है, सैफरन बन जाता है. एंड सैफरन इज ऑल्सो वी आर यूजिंग इन डाई. कलर होता है ना सैफरन में, कलर होता है तो वो डाई के लिए भी यूज होता है, हेयर्स को डाई करने के लिए, एंड ऑल्सो सम क्लॉथ को डाई करने के लिए. ऑल्सो वी कैन से saffron also we are using in the cosmetic products also. It is very good for our skin. So we are using some type of flowers in our daily life as medicines also we are using. So this is about the as spices. Then I am talking about as medicines. Some flowers we are using as a medicine, like अभी मैंने आपको बताया सैफरन. सैफरन यूज्ड एज मेडिसिन ऑल्सो, फॉर कॉस्मेटिक ऑल्सो, और फॉर ग्लोइंग स्किन ऑल्सो वी आर यूजिंग, एंड ऑल्सो एज मेडिसिन रोज फ्लावर. लाइक रोज फ्लावर से बनता है रोज वाटर, एंड रोज वाटर इज वेरी गुड फॉर द स्किन, सो इट इज यूज्ड एज अ मेडिसिन. देन नेक्स्ट इज फॉर मेकिंग कलर्स. अब कलर्स बनाने के लिए भी फ्लावर्स का यूज होता है. फ्लावर्स में कलर्स होते हैं ना, so we make colors from flowers like marigold and zinnia. These are the two types of flowers. These colors are also used to dye clothes. Clothes को dye करने के लिए भी इन flowers का use किया जाता है, zinnia and marigold. Then in making perfumes, अब देखो सारे flowers के अंदर fragrance होती है, right? So इन flowers से perfumes बनती है. So in a number of flowers with pleasant smells, इनकी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी स्मेल होती है, like rose and jasmine. These are the मतलब everyone's favorite flowers, है ना? So rose and jasmine are having a very pleasant smell. Pleasant means बहुत अच्छी, soothing लगती है हमें. So that is a pleasant smell and are used in making perfumes. इससे perfumes बनती हैं, oils भी बनते हैं, like oils for the skin. So these are the some flowers which are used in making perfumes. Jasmine is the very much used flower as a perfume. Okay, in decoration, now I am talking about in decoration. Yeah, at festival and functions हम mostly क्या use करते हैं decoration के लिए? We use decoration, we use flowers as a decoration only, right? Mostly हम flowers ही use करते हैं जब भी कोई अगर like you know now navratris are going on, so किससे डेकोरेशन करते हैं हम मंदिर में? with the flowers. so हम यूज कर रहे हैं डेकोरेशन में भी. and then some people make beautiful flower rangolis. क्या होता है, फ्लावर शेप में, फ्लावर की जो शेप होती है उस शेप में रंगोलीज भी बनाते हैं कई लोग. so they are just attracted with the flowers. okay, so like this flowers are using it many places. next for greeting. greeting means guest कोई special ceremony पे आते हैं तो बुके देते हैं हम, है ना? flowers का बुके बना कर देते हैं, and that is used, we are using the flowers as greeting also. जब हमें किसी का welcome करना है, we are using flowers at that time also. and then floral design. yeah, फ्लोरल डिज़ाइन की बात करें अगर हम, तो फ्लोरल डिज़ाइन ऐसे कि सम वर्कर्स जो पेंट करते हैं या सम क्रिएटिविटी करते हैं, सो दे आर वेरी मच ऑब्सेस्ड विद द फ्लावर पेंटिंग, फ्लावर डिजाइनिंग ऑल्सो. like on the walls you can see there are flowers, and some flowers have been an inspiration to the designers. जो mainly क्या inspiration होते हैं, like you can see in the Delhi, yeah, in New Delhi there is a lotus temple. it is in the shape of lotus flower. and also in Agra you will see there is a floral design. so in so many places you can see there is a like floral design on the walls also. so designers are very much impressed or inspired with the floral designs. और flowers बनाना सबको पसंद है, right? flowers की drawing करना सबको पसंद होता है. so this is how we are using the flowers in many ways. as food also we are using in eating as a vegetable. as spices we are using some flowers. yeah, clove and capper are other flower spices. okay, and as मेडिसिन में भी हम यूज कर रहे हैं फ्लावर्स को. मेकिंग कलर्स बनाने के लिए ज़ीनिया और मैरीगोल्ड का यूज होता है मोस्टली. परफ्यूम्स के लिए मोस्टली वी आर यूजिंग जैस्मिन एंड रोज. ओके, सो इन डेकोरेशन की बात करें अगर हम, तो डेकोरेशन में वी आर यूजिंग फ्लावर्स ऑफ लोटस, जैस्मिन एंड marigold. Many flowers we are using in decoration. Mostly rose is used. And for greeting, when we are doing welcome of anyone, so we will just give them bouquet of the flowers. So this is how we are using. And also greeting में हम बात करें, when आप किसी मैरिज में जाते हैं, there's a bride and bridegroom, they are just exchanging their जयमाला जिसे हम बोलते हैं. सो इससे क्या होता है, गार्लैंड्स वो एक दूसरे को एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द वेडिंग ऑल्सो. सो वेडिंग सेरेमनी में भी हम यूज कर रहे हैं फ्लावर को, एंड हमारे गेस्ट को हम देते हैं. सो दिस इज अबाउट द फॉर ग्रीटिंग. एंड देन फ्लोरल डिजाइन, आई टोल्ड यू some designers are very inspired with the flowers, and they are making the designs of flowers on the walls, and they are making flower structures always. Okay, after that what we are going to do, today we will complete this chapter. So what are the other uses? Now people offer flowers to gods and goddesses. So as I told you, Navratras are there, so we are offering the flowers to goddesses also. So wreaths made of flowers and leaves are placed on graves as a sign of respect to somebody who has passed away. Like अगर किसी की डेथ हो जाती है तब भी हम लोग वहाँ उनको फ्लावर्स देके आते हैं उनकी ग्रेव पे. And also give flowers to the sick when we visit them. So when anybody falls sick and we are going to meet them, we will give them some flowers, they will be happy. उससे वो खुश हो जाएंगे, उनको अच्छा लगेगा अगर हम उन्हें flowers offer करेंगे. Okay, now the next thing is how we get flowers. अब हमें flowers मिलते कैसे हैं? You know, some people grow some flowers in their gardens near their houses, outer area of the houses. They are growing some flowers there. And also there are some people are selling the flowers also, and those people are selling the flowers are known as florist. जो फ्लावर्स को सेल करते हैं वो होते हैं फ्लोरिस्ट. ठीक है. सो these flowers are brought from different cities. अलग अलग cities से आते हैं. some flowers are imported from other countries as well. दूसरी countries से भी हमारी country में आते हैं. कुछ flowers की species ऐसी हैं जो यहाँ हमारे इंडिया में नहीं है, तो हमें बाहर की country से मंगवानी पड़ती है. Florists usually sell bouquets, and some florists sell garlands made of marigold and rose flowers near temples. As you can see in Sirsa, so many shops are there in the market जहाँ पर garlands भी मिल रहे हैं और बुके भी ले सकते हैं हम, फ्लावर्स भी ले सकते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो these flowers are using for decorating the cars also, right? कार्स के लिए डेकोरेशन भी हम करते हैं, वो फ्लावर से ही होता है. सो लाइक दिस फ्लावर्स मेक आवर वर्ल्ड अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. हमें एक अट्रैक्टिव चीज दिखती है. फ्लावर की डेकोरेशन कहीं भी होती है, वी जस्ट गो एंड क्लिक द पिक्चर्स देयर. सो लाइक दिस flowers is a very beautiful part of our life. So they bring joy and happiness to our life. And the main thing, do not pluck the flowers. Always grow the flowers. फ्लावर को प्लक नहीं करना है. या sometimes if we are using that flower in some way, we are using it as like a medicine, as spices, yeah, that's okay, but don't pluck it for just playing. Okay, so that is all for today. Hope you all enjoyed this session about the flowers. We learn about the flowers. There are 4 parts of flowers. What are the functions of flowers? What are the uses of flowers? And how we get the flowers. हमें flowers मिलते कैसे हैं? So ये सब हमने आज सीखा. और आई होप आपको ये चैप्टर बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. So that is all for today. In the next section, we will be doing with the book work soon. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.